name is Onyango. I am a lawyer. I've been in practice since the year 1987. I currently head the conveyance practice group in the law firm of TRIPLEOKLAW Advocates based here in Nairobi.
In your industry, what strategies have you employed to ensure you stay on top of the game?
I think that's an interesting question. What has happened is, of course, that with the numbers of lawyers that we have, service is key. If you have a bad service, you are not going to get clients coming back to you. It's a very competitive industry with many lawyers practicing for, gunning for the same piece of cake that you're after. So service excellence, the ability to communicate effectively with clients in terms of understanding what their needs are and delivering on those needs as fast as we possibly can.
What key trends have affected your business, particularly when it comes to customer experience?
I would say in the last few years, there's something that's happening in Kenya which is probably not within our control. But the main issue is for the last 2.5 years, perhaps, we've been having what the Ministry of Lands calls digitization of their records. Obviously, what I see is that in the next couple of years, or hopefully by the end of this year, once they have sorted out the digitization process, that will be able to deliver much faster to clients, maybe even half the turnaround times that we're currently experiencing.
Who and what have been one of the greatest motivators in maintaining an effective strategy and focused leadership?
There's a lot of areas in life that one can think would give better results. The adage that grass is always greener on the other side. The truth is the grass is the same all the time. And if you just concentrate on one area, you will do well in that area. If you try to concentrate on more than one area, you may be good, but you'll never be very good. Keeping on doing the same thing, doing it right, and perfecting your method of working, I think is the only solution. Because there are probably about 20,000 lawyers in the role of advocates. Out of those 20,000, we are just one firm. What is it that stands out among that we can do differently? Those other lawyers that are practicing also are doing basically the same thing. You've got the same training, you've got the same clientele that is the Kenyan market, and so what is it that you can do that is different from them? The ability to charge fairly, the ability to deliver on quality work in time, the ability to communicate. I think if you look at those four things, that really is where your success is.
How do you assess your team's view on strategy, culture, and processes adapted in the organization?
With all these things, leadership is everything. And of course, leadership with strategy and proper execution means you're delivering on what your clients want. What we find is that if you look at the market that we target, in the conveyance practice group, we're looking at a lot of banks and a lot of property developers that we act for, plus also individual clients. As a group, as a team in the law firm, we specialize in an area. Everybody, we are 7 advocates. We've remained focused on our goal, which is to deliver on conveyance. You want to buy, you want to sell a property, or a bank wants to charge a property. That's the way we look at it. We'll concentrate on that, we'll deliver on that, and nothing else. Anything outside that mandate, we do not touch. It may give us more money, but we are not interested in that. We're interested in delivering on the thing that we've set out to do.